guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about minty perfumes. So if you like mint as an herb or in a perfumes, please stay with me. My name is Justina and this is my perfume world. So if you like what you see, I would suggest you to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and okay, let's go. So mint is one of my favorite actually herbs in perfumes, if not the most liked by me, of course. So I decided to collect a couple of fragrances here that contain the note of mint and show them to you, basically. Let me know if you like mint in perfumes, if you like this feeling it gives you, it refreshes you maybe. Let me know. I really love mint and I also consume a lot of mint tea. I love the smell of freshly crushed mint leaves, so this is absolutely my thing here. So the first scent I will start by is Lush Dirty. This one is like your toothpastey mint, but not only that, but it mainly brings you in the mind the toothpaste smell. It's slightly chalky as well, like you would crush a slight amount of chalk and mix it with the mint. I don't know if you know what I mean, but this is the effect I have. This is nice and refreshing. So if you like this toothpastey fragrances, aromas, it might be for you. I would strongly suggest you test it out before you buy, because it might not be for everyone. But all in all, I think it's a very interesting fragrance, very aromatic. And not that expensive as for this original scent profile. So this is Lush Dirty. Another perfume is a very original one, is Mio Fusciuni Shukran Notta di Viaggio. And this one, according to Fragrantica, only has two ingredients. It has mint and it has tobacco. So upon the first spray, when you spray it, you feel those fresh mint leaves surrounded by some wooden elements. And then when the fragrance dries down, the tobacco takes place, like it's more prominent, but it's still mixed beautifully with the mint. I have it here on me. It is a beautiful tobacco leaves combined with mint, basically that. It smells niche, it smells original. It might not be so original, you know, to say it's just mint and tobacco, but it's really, really good. It's original. If you like me, like minty fragrances and woody fragrances, I think this one will be for you. The longevity, staying power are good, on me at least. So yeah, I would strongly suggest you check it out if you like this woody, minty scent profile. So that was Mio Fusciuni Notta di Viaggio Shukran. Another scent is the scent that I have in a full bottle, finally, because I love it so much and I had a very good option to buy it in a really good price, 100 ml, so I couldn't pass and I needed to have it. Of course, it's Etat Libre Orange and it's you or someone like you. I was thinking about the bottles for so long already, like 2 years since I got to know the smell. This is like mojito, basically. It smells so uplifting, so fresh. It is just a happy scent. If you love mojito, if you like those spearmint, if you like freshly crushed mint leaves poured with ice cold water, I think you or someone like you will be for you. Some people complain on Fragrantica that they cannot detect mint after a time when they are wearing this fragrance. I do not have this problem at all. Actually, mint is prominent on me for the full time I'm wearing the fragrance, so I'm really happy about that. It also has rose, it also has musk in the base, so it's like those mint leaves surrounded by delicate smelling flowers, and they are at the same time very clean due to the musk. So I really love the scent, and on me as well, longevity is really, really good. As for this fresh scent, it is really good. So you or someone like you from Etat Libre Orange, and the bottle, I love the bottle. It looks like those avant-garde ice cube or something like that. And this is the first bottle of Etat Libre Orange ever in my collection, so I'm very happy to have it. I like it. I was, like I said, I was contemplating getting the bottle. I never had a chance. Now I had, so I had to add it. So beautiful and uplifting, as I said. Perfect for a summertime, but also when you would like to lift your mood during the autumn or winter, I think this one is a summer in a bottle, just like that. Another scent is a scent I do not have, but I highly recommend you try it. And even though it's a masculine scent, this is Versace Eros. So this one is citrusy and aromatic, basically. It is not groundbreaking, however, I think it would work perfectly for both sexes. So if you like those herbally, citrusy fragrances that are refreshing, nice smelling, clean smelling, I think Eros Versace will be perfect for you as well. My dad used to have Eros Versace and I really like the scent. As I said, for me, it's a perfectly balanced unisex fragrance. So if you are a lady and you're afraid that it will turn too masculine, it is not, at least of course on my skin, but it is really original, especially when worn by a woman. So you may want to check it out as well. Another scent is the scent I do not know, but I will let you know that it has mint, and it's my own memory note to check this fragrance. It's Aqua, Allegoria, Herba, Fresca. And a lot of people from Fragrantica actually compares this scent to Etat, Libre, Orange, You or Someone Like You. So I'm very curious how it works and how it smells. Let me know if you have tried Herba Fresca. But as I said, I'm curious to check it out as well if it has mint. Another scent is from Sora, Dora, and it's Greasque. This one is minty and it has oregano in it and it has caramel in the base. So if you like the sound of it, you may want to check it out as well. I have recently tested it on my skin. I didn't quite like this dried herbs aspect that I felt after a time. So it wasn't exactly for me. It wasn't as fresh as I expected. But if you like in general herbal scent with slightly caramelly sweet touch underneath, I think Sora, Dora, Greasque will be for you. For me, as I said, it's not as fresh as I expected to be. I thought the mint will be more prominent actually, but it's still good. It's still worth checking out. So that's it. Another scent is from Diptyque and I only have a sample of it and it's Eau de Minthé. And for me, actually, I have sprayed it before in here. For me, actually, it smells like my dad's aftershave. When I was a little kid, my dad used to use some kind of an aftershave that smells exactly like Eau de Minthé from Diptyque. So for me, I couldn't I'm not able to wear this scent because I have this strong association with the aftershave my dad used. So it's not for me. But if you like those aftershave fresh aromatic scent, I think it will be for you. As I said, due to the scent connotation, it leans totally masculine to me. And of course, I do wear masculine scent, as I told you before. Of course, I recommend Eros from Versace, but this one is strongly associated to me with those men's typical aftershave. But don't let it push you off. Maybe you do not have this scent association as I do. So I always encourage you try. Maybe you will sense something else in the scent. But yeah, overall, very nice, fresh. It would suit better for a man, but it has mint. So that's why I'm mentioning this fragrance here. Another scent is, of course, Balenciaga Florabotanica. However, this one is unfortunately discontinued already. So I don't know. If you can get it, just get it. If you find it in a good price, just get it. This one doesn't have like those straight off the bat mint accord when you smell it, but it is very fresh, green and wet. So I think those green herbs provide this feeling of wetness, greenness, freshness. For me, this is basically rose garden, wet rose garden just after the rain and thunderstorm. And now everything is calmed down, sun is shining again, and all of those beautiful, scents evaporate from the ground. So that's the feeling I get with this one. It has also cannabis leaf in it, and it has mint leaf, of course. So those herbs give you this green aspect, fresh aspect, very nice, rosy perfume. So if you like this rosy, dewy fragrances, rosy, dewy rose, yeah, you may want to check it out. For some people, this scent is actually unbearable. I do not see why is that, but maybe, yeah, they don't like it, that it's too strong, maybe due to the rose, but for me it is beautiful, fresh scent, but very unusual as well. So Florabotanica Balenciaga. Another scent which I love, I have a bigger decant of it, is Roos and Roos Mentha Religiosa. I believe I mentioned already about this scent on my channel, and it is definitely worth checking out if you like mint fragrances. For me, basically it's a mint with wood, and it gives me this feeling of a church, but without having those incensey vibe, without any olibanum, nothing heavy in the scent, but it somehow is like this mint went to church, you know. That's how I always describe this scent. Very original, unusual, it lasts really long time on the skin. So if you were looking for very original minty fragrance, woody fragrance, I think this one will be for you as well. So that was it. Another scent is from Zara, and I need to go to Zara and smell it again because I forgot, but I know it has mint in it. And I'm letting you know, in case you are looking something budget friendly with mint, you may want to check it out as well. It's Zara Waterlily Tea Dress, and this one is in collaboration with Jo Malone as well. And I've heard that Waterlily Tea Dress has some components of You or Someone Like You. So maybe, possibly, if you are looking for something on the budget, as I said, you may want to check out Waterlily Tea Dress. I think I feel very encouraged to check the scent. As I said, I didn't smell it, so I cannot tell you how it smells exactly. I mean, I smelled it one time, but you know, I was testing something else and I bought something else, but yeah, I need to refresh it, but I'm letting you know in case you want to check it out as well. Another scent is scent that I'm totally obsessed with, and I have like 5 ml decant of it. Is Maison Crivelli Hibiscus Mahajar, and it is not straight up minty scent as well. It has mint as a note. This one is more like hibiscus tea. This mint here gives an air to the fragrance, gives this freshness, refreshes the scent. This one is crisp. This one is very juicy and very potent. So if you like, for example, Delina from Parfums de Marly, I think this one will be for you, possibly. For me, Delina is too sour. This one, even though it has some kind of sourness in it, it is better. It is not too sour, on my skin at least. It is perfectly balanced. It is like soury sweet. It is kind of sweet, so you need to like those soury sweet scents, but it doesn't turn too sour or too sweet on my skin, if I make any sense. So it's so beautiful, so bold, so feminine, so summery. It is perfect like night out scent for me. It is not narcotic, but it has this, you know, unapologetic femininity in it. So it's so nice and so potent. Actually, I do not need to open this decant to feel it. When I got it in the mail, everything was smelling like Hibiscus Mahajat, so it's good. It has really great lasting power. It is extrait de parfum, so it will last you a long time. A bottle even. 50 ml is quite expensive, but I think 5 ml decant is okay as well. It will lead you through the summer for sure. So it's so beautiful. It's created by Canton Biche. If you are looking for something similar, I would recommend you check out Carolina Herrera, very good girl. It has this similar aspect to it. So yeah, if you cannot afford Hibiscus Mahajat, I think Carolina Herrera, very good girl, will be quite similar. And the last one, I do not have it as well, but I'm still thinking to get the bottle because it's not expensive. It's Reminiscence, it's Oud Glacial. So this one is basically minty, woody fragrance. Again, I do not know how it smells exactly, but I'm letting you know because it's not expensive. I'm still thinking to get it. If I will get it, maybe I will let you know how it works, but I've heard from one of my viewers that it's really nice and very refreshing, especially during the summer. summer. So that was it when it comes to the minty fragrances, minty perfumes. Let me know what are your favorite minty fragrances. I will be very curious to hear that, and let me know which ones for you have the best longevity, because of course this is what we are looking for the most during the summer. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.